Let's review how to use the Turkey Cooking Time accordion on our cooking page. Select the Numbers section, then the Cooking page. Click on the Turkey Cooking Time accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you can configure specific variables essential for forensic accuracy. Start by selecting your preferred weight metric from the Units drop-down menu. Input the exact weight value. Choose the corresponding preparation style from the drop-down. Once you are done entering and reviewing your data, click the equals icon. A data box appears below, displaying a comprehensive breakdown including turkey size, cooking method, and estimated cooking time. You can share secure links via email or continue working on the Productivity Suite. This structured approach helps legal professionals validate culinary claims, test liability scenarios, and present reproducible thermal data with confidence. And that's how you use the LawWiz Turkey Cooking Time accordion.